Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to preserve carrots in the fridge. Keeping carrots fresh and crisp for longer is easier than you think. This simple method helps you avoid waste and always have delicious carrots on hand for snacks or cooking. We'll cover everything from initial preparation to the best storage techniques, ensuring your carrots stay in top condition for weeks. Let's get started with the first step. First, it's important to prepare your carrots correctly. When you bring them home, immediately trim off any green tops. These tops draw moisture from the carrots, making them go limp faster. Also, resist the urge to wash them until you're ready to use them. Excess moisture can encourage mold growth. Just wipe off any loose dirt and ensure they are completely dry before moving to the next step. Now for the key storage technique, the water bath method. Find a large, airtight container, like a glass jar or a plastic food storage container. Place your unpeeled, trimmed carrots inside. Then, fill the container completely with cold water, ensuring all carrots are fully submerged. Seal the container tightly with its lid. This creates a protective environment that keeps them hydrated and firm. To maximize freshness, store your sealed container of carrots in the coldest section of your refrigerator. It's also crucial to change the water every 4 to 5 days. Simply drain the old water and refill with fresh, cold water. This prevents bacterial growth and keeps your carrots crisp. Following these steps will help your carrots stay perfectly fresh and ready to eat for up to 3 weeks, sometimes even longer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.